Yo, J Blank back again. Welcome to the March edition of the J Blank Community Overview. In this video, we're going over the Discord, we're going over the website, we're going over the community in depth. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, give a like on this video. Let's hop into it. Now, today we're focused on the website, as the last few reviews are mainly focused on going over the Discord channels in depth. I'm going to show you what the VIP and non-VIP side looks like of our website. When you sign in as a VIP member, you get brought to the VIP homepage. Up top, we have motivation. To the left, we have quick links, and these are resources and tools and tips. To the right, we have the weekly email, and this gets sent out every single Saturday in the morning. Underneath that, we have the weekly update, and this is our live training, which is at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every Saturday. I record them, and then you can watch the review here on the page. Underneath that, we have featured trading tools, and these are the featured profitable trading tools. And underneath that, we have featured YouTube videos, and these are YouTube videos that I share involving our community. All right, let's scroll up to the top. We're gonna go from left to right, starting with the API tab. Go over to the documentation. We have a news API and trade API, and VIP members get unlimited access to both of them. The news API is used to access calendar data, and backtesting data, and AI, machine learning driven insights on those data. And the trade API is used for opening and closing positions on MetaTrader and Trade Locker. Okay, now let's go to the VIP tab. We have the news resources. We have a ton of news resources. We have the News GPT, which is a custom GPT for understanding news analysis more, understanding the trends of the news, getting hawkish and dovish sentiment on statements and speeches and things like that. Next, we have the news calendar, which we have for Forex Factory, MQL5, and for the news navigator. We also have the news library, which goes over almost 200 different events in depth, machine learning data. It has all the outcomes from 2020 to today. Next, we have the News Navigator, which is just an info page about the Navigator, change log, live results, videos, etc. News Analysis Quizzes, and these are direct link to the quizzes that we have in the test. The News Query, and this is just a very, very fast way to get smart analysis on a specific news event outcome. News analysis courses, these will take you from a beginner all the way to where I am currently in my news analysis journey. And then lastly, the news dictionary, which is just a small list of definitions of news terms that you should understand. Next, we have the Forex trading tab. We have the navigator again. We have our trading tools. Now we have over 64 different trading tools for all different types of traders. VIP members get unlimited access, and they can click and download them right away. Next, we have courses, Forex courses like we went over. We also have coding courses, which we'll go over in a little bit. Next, we have tutorials. This is MetaTrader 5 tutorials on our website, tutorials on TradingView, tutorials on getting started, tutorials on news analysis. Next, we'll go over the music. Now, this has nothing to do with VIP, but for those who are looking for beats, or if you have a song that needs to get mixed, or if you need to record in the studio time, or if you need a music project, this is a tab for you. And then next to last, we have the coding tab. Now, for those who need a project complete, you can submit a coding request here. Underneath that, we have coding courses in MQL5, MQL4, and Python. Next, we have my coding portfolio, the coding chat, and then we have tutorials. I have one Python tutorial right now, and then I have an MQL course. This is two hours of coding in MQL. And then lastly, we have the profile. Okay. If you're not a VIP member, you can log into this one here. You see somewhat a similar homepage. Well, you have a featured YouTube video, more featured YouTube videos, featured trading tools, and then that's it. And then similarly to the VIP members, up here we have almost all the same tabs except for you do not have the VIP tab, but you do also get access to the API, the news API. You still get free access to the news API, but it does have a rate limit of 1 minute. Definitely feel free to go through this video. It goes over more in depth of that. Regular members get access to our tutorials, the quizzes, and regular members can request a free trial of any of our trading tools except the News Navigator. So let's say you saw the News Ranger. You can click on free trial. You click confirm a free trial, and then you can test this out for 3 days. Okay, that's it for our community overview. And if you're not a VIP member, you can see the membership page here. And this is where you go and join to become a VIP member. All right, that sums up the March edition of the JBlanked Sauce community overview. I'm JBlanked. See you on the inside. Peace.